Namaste, it's me Lokendra Sao, and today I'm going to teach you how to take common, okay? And I'm going to show you easiest method to take common. Okay, this video is made for the grade 8 students, and I hope you'll enjoy it. And first of all, I want to welcome you all. Welcome, children. And first of all, look here. How to take common? The common of sign, okay? The sign. I am going to tell you the rules, okay? Of taking the common of the sign, okay, which are just given in front of the term. See here. Okay, and here I have kept the topic. Do you know this one? Look at topic. Do you know minus this dot represents multiplication? Okay, minus into minus equals to plus, and plus into plus equals to plus, plus into minus equals to minus, and minus into plus equals to plus. That means wherever there is minus sign, then we can show that plus two sign, that plus into minus, or plus into minus, or minus into plus. And wherever there is plus sign, then we can, okay, so the multiplication plus into plus or minus to minus, okay, when you take the sign common. And here I have, you can hear the dot. This dot represents the multiplication sign. This is for the easiness, okay, of the students. I have kept the dot symbol for the multiplication, okay. And see here now. Now let's move to the next one slide. And here's given simple way to take common. Okay, see here. I'm pointing the simple way to take common. Okay. And first of all, here is given number 1. See here. For 9x cube y power 4, y to the power 4 you can tell, plus 12x square y power 4. Okay. And write solution, then after write question again. Okay, here's the question right here. Okay. And after that, and you have to show that 9 means 3 into 3, because this is the product of 3 into 3, 9. And x cube means you can write here. Here you can see, okay, x cube means x into x into x, and y there is, look, y power 4 means what is in there? Y into y into y. You can see here, y into y into y. How many times? 4 times, plus, and in place of 12 we have tried 2 into 3, because 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12. You can show these factors, okay, into x means x square, y into y into y into y. This y to the power 4 means we have to multiply y 4 times, okay. And then see here, what are the same factor in the first term and second term? The same factor are 3 x x, okay, y y y y, okay. Here is y power 4, here is also y power 4, we can see, okay. Y power 4 and y power 4 also common. The same factors are common taken. And if you take common 3x into x, y into y into y into y, then what is remaining in first term here? First term there is remaining 3 into x, okay. We can see there. And after that, we can find out, see, okay. And now see here, I want to start from the beginning one again. Then it will be easier to look for you, okay. See here. And as I told you in, okay, here only, okay, see, if you take this common, then what is remaining in first term here? There is remaining 3 into x plus, and second left that 2 into 2 only left, or all gone common, okay. This is, and which are same one, you can x into x, x square, y into y into y into y. This one 4 times, that's y power 4. And what is remaining inside the bracket? 3x plus 2 to the 4. 4 is left. And this is common taking. Okay. This is the easiest method to take common. Okay. Next, look here. Now let's move to the next slide. And here, look here. This is the minus 9m square n plus 12m square n square minus 6mn square. Okay. Right solution, the right question again. And as I told you, in minus there are what? Minus to plus sign. Okay. Into 9 means what? 3 into 3. And m square means m into m. And n only 1. Then again in second term, look here, this plus sign. Plus, and either you can add plus into plus or you can add minus into minus. Okay. Minus to minus. And into 12 is 2 into 2 into 3 into m square. Here is, look here, this m square, that's why I write here m into m, and n square, then write here n into n. And here is minus, then you can write here minus into plus is minus into 6 means 2 into 3 into m into n square means n into n. Now see there, what are the same sign? Sign also we have to take common. Here also minus sign, here also minus sign, here also minus sign. That's why take minus sign also common. And here 3mn, 3mn, 3mn. Here's just 3mn, mn. Okay, common. Here's also 3m and n, 3mn common taken. Minus 3mn taken common. And what is left then? If minus is gone, then plus left here. And 3m and already gone, then 3m only left. And here minus is gone common, 1 minus only remaining. And 2 to the 4, because 3 has already gone common. And m, there were mm, that's a 1 m common gone, then 1 m still left here. And n. And here also minus common gone, then plus left here. Okay, plus remaining, and 2n left because 3 is already common. 3m already common gone, then and n also gonna common, then 2n left here. And write the remaining one multiplication, minus 3mn right here, 3mn. And what is this? Plus. And here's also plus, and if there is no sign in front of this 3 plus sign, minus 4mn plus 2n. This is the answer. Like this we take the common. Okay, now let's move to the next one, next slide. Okay, here this is ax plus ay plus bx plus by. There are 4 terms. In such case, what is done? Note, if there are 4 terms, we will make the group of two terms and take common. And look here, as I told you, there are 4 terms, then make the group of these 2 terms and make the group of these 2 terms. And how to make the group? That is the main thing. Look here, we have to make the group of such terms. Look, if you take a and a is taken common, then what is left here? X and plus as y, x plus y. Here is a plus b common, b taken common, then what is left here? X plus y. After taking common, here is remaining x plus y. Here is also remaining x plus y. If they remain same x plus y, okay, and our grouping is correct. You have to understand that our grouping is correct. Then now look here, again x plus y same. Then x plus y, if you take common here, and here left a, right a, here left plus b in end of bracket. First take common x plus y taken common, then a plus b right in end of bracket. Okay, like this we will factorize. Okay, if there are 4 terms. Now let's move to next question. Here, this is the 4th one. Here is note also given. If terms inside the brackets are same, we will take them common. We will take them common. Okay, look, as I told you in question, look, 3x into x plus y minus 3y into x plus y. Here is also x plus y, here is also x plus y. That means they are already in correct group. Okay, right, x plus y common. Then what is remaining here? Here is remaining 3x and here is remaining minus 3y. Okay, now again look at this 3 into x minus 3 into y. Here is the same, look, here is 3, here is 3. That's why we have to take 3 common. If you take 3 common, here is x plus y, first one, right? And here remaining x minus y. Okay, these are the factors. Look, 3 is one factor, x plus y is another factor, into this x minus y is another factor. These are the 3 factors. Okay, like this we factorize if there are 4 terms. Let's move to the another slide. Look here. In fifth, look here, what I have written left. Look here. If the terms inside the brackets are not same, we will remove the bracket and rearrange them to take the common factor. Look here. Inside this bracket a square plus 1, inside this bracket x square minus y, x square plus y square. That's why we have to remove the bracket. Let's remove the bracket. Xy into a square xy square plus xy into 1 xy into 1 minus is minus a into x square ax square, and minus into this plus minus sign. This here must be very careful. Minus into plus minus a into y square ay square. Now let's take common of these two. What are common here? X common, right? X common. Here left y minus and a x left, because x square means there will x into x common gone. Then here is minus, here is plus, and minus take common. As I told, in this plus there are two minus. If one minus common gone, one minus remaining here. Okay. If y ay common gone, then here is left one y left. Okay, right, y minus, here is left x common, this one a y common gone, then x left and a left. That's why right ax. Now see here, inside this bracket also y minus x, inside this bracket also y minus x, right here, y minus x, and here is remaining x, and here is remaining minus ay, right, in another bracket, x minus ay. Okay, now there is no common. These two are the factor. One factor is y minus x, and the factor is x minus ay. Okay, like this you practice these problems. Okay, and you will have, okay, easiness to factorize them. Okay, factorize the algebraic expression. Hesitant note, practice these above 5 examples. I have shown you 5 examples. Please watch it again and again and practice them, okay? And you'll understand very, very easily. Thank you very much.